So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito pag-uusapan natin kabola update kay Javi Gomez Deliano kabola. Kasi nga po, ang terafirma daw kabola hindi na po mabibenta. So may connection yun no, sa sitwasyon po ni Javi Gomez Deliano kabola. And then of course, we will talk about around basketball. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot ang subscription bola. Let's start po kabola with this report po sa NBA kabola. Nito si Yuki Kawamura kabola, a guard from Japan kabola, with the Chicago Bulls. Of course, congratulate natin ang kapwa-Asian natin kabola na Japanese na si Sir Yuki Kawamura kabola. And for me, I am reporting this kasi as a challenge no sa mga guards natin sa PBA kabola and guards natin sa mga Pilipino. This guy's only around 5'8 kabola. So, pinapakita niya na skill does matter in the PBA. Na kung pinakita mo kabola that your skill is NBA level kabola, you may be given an opportunity. At yun nga yung pinapakita dito nitong si Yuki Kawamura kabola. And then sa Ateneo naman kabola, nakahanap na daw nila kabola ang next Anje Kwame. It's Divine Adili. Of course, alam naman natin kabola kung gaano karami pong kampiyon na ito ang naitulong po kabola nitong si Kwame kabola. And now they have this very young Divine Adili who will start playing at his very first year. Usually kasi pag mga ganitong import kabola sa UAAP, hindi agad nakakalaro yan kasi merong kasunod eh. Pero ito maglalaro daw agad to kabola at his very rookie season. 19 years old, very young kabola. He is 6'10". Although ang laruan daw nito is traditional kabola. So, kumbaga medyo iba dun sa laruan po ng isang Anje Kwame kabola. So, tignan natin kabola. Of course, Ateneo currently kabola, kapag i-compare mo yung roster nila sa UP, sa Lasal kabola, hindi sila lumelevel. Actually, baka nga pang-apat lang sila ngayon kabola. Pero overall still, they are Ateneo for a reason kabola. Of course, nandyan pa rin po si Anje. Nandyan pa rin si Coach Tab Baldwin kabola. So mahirap yan baliwalain kabola. Ito pong si Divine Adili kabola. And then of course, dito muna tayo sa comments po ng mga fans. John Ravino, makuha sana ng jeans si Mikey at maglaro ng may disiplina at talunin ng dating team. If you think makukuha po ng jeans itong si Mikey Williams, you're basically saying kabola na mag-aaroon ng trade between Converge at saka Ginebra. Posible ba yun kabola? Posible pa rin naman. Pero ang ito-trade man po nitong si Jeans kabola or nitong si Converge, itong si Mikey Williams o right niya kabola, malamang kabola hindi po ganun kadali na makukuha siya ng Ginebra. So magbibigay sila ng matindi. Shoutout sir, sabi naman po ni Ronald Berbosidad. Now let's have an update about the situation of Javi Gomez Deliano. Diba? Remember the report kabola? Si Javi daw kabola was supposed to be traded to either Magnolia or San Miguel. Pero hindi natuloy kasi nga naka-trade moratorium kabola ang firma. Bakit sila naka-trade moratorium? Kasi nga po, they're supposed to be on sale. Actually, sobrang baba na nga po ng selling price pero wala walang nagaganap po na deal. Now na wala na po yung trade moratorium. I think so kabola, no? Kasi nga po hindi natuloy po yung kanilang pagkabenta. And then, a trade is no possibility. Although, nag-sign na po ng contract si Javi ata in an international team. Still, though, kabola, the possibility, kabola, of a trade, kabola, in the future is there. Now, let's rank the 3 SMC teams kung sino pong pinakalangailangan sa kanya. Number 3 natin, San Miguel Beermen. Bakit natin number 3 po yung San Miguel Beermen, kabola? Kasi I think they have a lot of players now that plays the position of Javi and who also needs the ball that very much kabola. I'm talking about Don Troliano kabola and even Jeron Ting. Those two kabola are of course ball heavy na kabola and they're also very good now on the defensive end. So mahirap na pong palitan yung mga yon. Number 2 natin will be Barangay Ginebra. So Ginebra kabola, although of course they also have a lot of wing players kabola, they do have the possibility po of shaking it up. Jamie Malone is still there kabola. Of course, Holt is there kabola. Pero if they want to make changes, they can also try, of course, Javi Gomez Deliano. Pero number 1 pa rin natin is still Magnolia Hotshots. Bakit? The biggest reason is, of course, the upcoming departure daw ng isang Will Navarro. Hindi pa to confirm at the recording of this video. Pero yun nga po yung rumor kabola na siya nga po ipipiramahan mo sa isang team sa KBL. If that's the case, then they are in need of a scorer. And Javi can, of course, do that. Other than that kabola, of course, pwede rin naman kasi sa backcourt yung laruan ni Javi, a big guard kabola. If that's the case, you can also have him there. Ikaw mga ba, super game mo? Ito ba yung ranking? Comment lang po.